All right. Thank you, everybody, for joining us today for this session on IGEL Ready, focused on hardware partners. I hope you all are doing very well and staying safe and healthy wherever you are. Before I get into the slides, let me take a minute to introduce myself and my co-presenter today. My name is Divya Sagar, and I'm a part of the Alliances team at IGEL, primarily leading and driving the IGEL Ready program. I also have with me Mikhail Maridakis, who is the product manager for hardware. And he is the man behind reviewing all the hardware devices and endpoints that are submitted by the IGEL Ready partners for achieving their IGEL Ready status. Today, both of us will talk to you about IGEL Ready, focusing specifically on the hardware side. And hopefully, by the end of the session, you will get answers to how these partner products and devices are verified to be IGEL ready, who are our latest hardware partners, and where can you find all this information. As a bonus, you will also hear from Lenovo, who's been the talk of the town since they have joined the IGEL Ready program a few months ago. So let's get going. Now, I believe most of you are familiar with IGEL Ready by now. Hopefully, we've made enough noise since our launch last year in July. And I'm sure you have seen this slide too, so I won't go into a lot of these details. In our session, we are going to focus today more on the hardware and the endpoint devices that are on this wheel, right? And how they are compatible with IGEL OS. Now, you all know why we launched IGEL Ready, right? It's becoming more and more important as organizations are making investments in technology and they want to ensure that what they are purchasing has been fully tested and verified to work with what's already in the environments. So IGEL Ready is essentially creating this ecosystem of solutions or devices that complement our IGEL technology by enabling these partners and, of course, making this ecosystem available for our customers. Now we have more than 100 technology partners, as you can see on this slide, and they have had integrations into IGEL OS. But just to be clear, not all that you see on this slide are IGEL ready just yet. There is a certain set of criteria to meet and processes to complete before each of these logos can be onboarded to IGEL ready officially. So while many of these have completed these steps and are live on our IGEL Ready Showcase website, which is the customer facing website, a few others are still going through this process. And I will share later where you can find all these details. But our goal is to have all or most of these logos on this wheel migrated to the IGEL Ready program, hopefully in the first half of this year. Now, having such a program has also added a dimension of co-marketing and enablement for these partners, and this thereby elevates our levels of engagements, right? And it creates better product synergies for our customers. So one important thing that I want to add here is that if you need any help making contact with any of these IGEL Ready partners, please feel free to ask us. We are also looking for your feedback to see which of these integrations are more fruitful for you. Where do you see more business coming from? So we can pivot our alliance activities and the marketing activities with the most strategic partners and identify where we need to backpedal a bit. So, all right, having said that, I think this would be a good time to hear from undoubtedly one of the more strategic and important hardware partners that recently joined the program, and that is Lenovo. So let's see what they have to say about the program.
Hi there. Thanks for inviting me to join you today at the IGEL Kickoff. My name is Andy Nieto. I'm one of the Global Solution Managers here at Lenovo. At Lenovo, we spent a long time developing who we are and building our brand. In fact, at this time, we do business in over 160 countries with more than 54,000 employees. In fact, 4 Lenovo devices are sold every second. But today, I really want to talk to you about how Lenovo is working with IGEL. IGEL being one of the leading solutions for end-user computing is a perfect match for Lenovo's award-winning hardware. Combined, we bring the power of technology to the hands of the end user, and we look forward to interacting with all of you as we bring these combined solutions to market. Lenovo's solutions, from our award-winning ThinkPads to our desktops, data center solutions, and different form factors, powered by unique innovations like quad far-field microphones and audio systems for enhanced communication, all the way to our very simple to use thin client portfolio, is an absolutely perfect match for IGEL. Thanks for having me along today. I hope you have a great kickoff. Look forward to seeing you soon.
So quickly, this slide shows the journey for our technology partners on the IGEL Ready program. They start their IGEL Ready journey on a self-service partner portal that we have made available to them. It's called the IGEL Ready Hub. They create an account in there, they use the test kits and demo licenses that we provide in there, and then they submit their verification results to us, and which Mikhail and the team reviews and approves. Once the product is approved, the device, it's featured on the IGEL Ready Showcase along with some cool marketing resources or videos. Again, all of this is for our customers, and customer enablement is the key. So the IGEL Ready Showcase makes sure that the customers, resellers, channel, you all can easily find these offerings, explore these solutions, read about them. And the idea here is to reduce the sales cycle and let the customers make their purchasing decisions with ease and adopt IGEL smoothly. Now, at this point, let me hand it over to Mikhail to dive a little bit deeper into the verification process, what each tier of IGEL Ready means, and he will also share some examples with you. So, over to you, Mikhail.
Thank you, Divya. So let's have a look into what exactly is a self-verification test. Um, Self-verification test within the IGEL Ready activated tier, and I'm going to tell you more details around the available tiers in the IGEL Ready program. A self-verification test refers to a validation, to a device or software validation done by the partner using a step-by-step verification test kit. The step-by-step verification test kit is a document made by IGEL. You can see at the right side of the slide how this document looks like. It includes all those instructions and all those steps the partner needs to take in order to validate his solution, his device, with the IGEL OS. It includes what and how to test. For doing that, the partner can get from IGEL demo licenses or even NFR licenses of the IGEL OS. They can use our resource libraries, such as the knowledge base, where they can go and search and find all that information is needed in order that they are capable of doing all those tests. So that said, let's now look a little bit more deeper into the available IGEL Ready program tiers. The IGEL Ready program tiers are three. We have the activated, the accelerated, and the advanced IGEL Ready program tier. So let's start with the activated level. This is exactly what we were discussing some minutes before with regards to a self-verification test. This is where the journey starts, the IGEL Ready journey starts for the partner, where he activates his partnership with IGEL. They are self-verifying their devices, they are self-reporting their results, and if successful, if reviewed and approved from IGEL, then they are allowed to feature their offerings on our IGEL Ready Showcase website. The next higher level from the activated level is the so-called accelerated level. Here, a little bit more is needed in order that the partner can attend that. For instance, a business case is needed, a customer business case, and minimum an employee of that partner needs to be IGEL certified engineer, needs to be an IGEL certified engineer. And last but not least, the partner needs to assign a dedicated IGEL technical resource for working on that. In some cases, a statement of work might be needed also in order, for example, let's take an example. Let's think that there might be a bug in that device using the IGEL OS, a bug is identified or a function is missing, a feature is not working properly, and the partner needs help from IGEL. We need to get R&D, for instance, get involved in there in order to fix that issue. In order to identify the effort that is associated to that issue and the cost that is associated to that issue, we have to make a statement of work with a partner, an agreement in which it is identified what is the effort, what is the cost, and how that cost is covered together with the partner. Um, Important to know for the accelerated level is that this validation is done for only for one device and one release. And the partner is capable of receiving additional marketing and technical benefits from IGEL if he is attending the accelerated level. Last but not least, the advanced level. The advanced level is the highest IGEL ready program tier. And here the partner can attend only if before he was attending the accelerated level for at least 3 months, and only if he has at least 2 employees to be IGEL certified engineers and still a dedicated IGEL technical resource. And also in this case, a statement of work might be needed from time to time if additional features, bug fixing, and things like that are in addition needed. Here we can provide the full support from IGEL. A device that is certified in the advanced level is getting the full support from IGEL, means that it is tested and released and supported with the current and all future OS releases, as long as this partner and this device are part of this advanced tier. So summarizing, just to understand, generically understand the idea of the levels in the IGEL Ready program, we have activated, self-tested by the partner, supported by the partner using IGEL's test kits, test documents. Accelerated level, tested for one specific configuration and one specific release, tested by IGEL, supported by IGEL. And advanced, full support. The product is supported with the current release. It is tested from IGEL, supported from IGEL with the current release and for all future releases. The normal testing and validation process done from IGEL. That said, an important notice at the end, please be aware that a partner can have several products in several program tiers at the same time. They can have several products in the activated level and some products in the accelerated level or in the advanced level. And the partner itself will be designated based on the highest level they have a product. So for instance, if they have 2 activated products and 1 accelerated product, then the partner itself is designated as accelerated. So moving forward, let me give you some examples with regards to hardware partners who already have joined the IGEL Ready program. You can already see on this slide very well known and very strong names such as Lenovo, such as LG, ClearCube, N Computing, Dynabook, OnLogic. We, by the way, also have approved or approving peripherals, hardware peripherals, not only endpoints, such as of our partner Epos and Cherry. And we have some exciting names coming soon as well, such as Advantech, such as Fujitsu, who are also very soon going to join the IGEL Ready program. Just giving you some examples for endpoints, starting with Lenovo. You can see here that Lenovo has already approved, has already verified a portfolio of products, of several products in the IGEL Ready activated level. Thin clients, mobile devices, small desktops, laptops such as of the Lenovo ThinkPad L13, a mobile thin client with a very long battery lifetime, 12 hours. And with this beautiful product, you can work on the move. And if it is powered by the IGEL OS, you can use this device in order to access your data in the cloud from everywhere and with a pretty long battery lifetime. LG, LG, a well-known, a well-established manufacturer in the monitor industry. We have here already validated several all-in-one thin clients. All-in-one devices are basically monitors, which include an additional computing unit in the back, which is then used as the classic thin client. So those devices are all-in-one solutions, monitor and computing unit integrated into one device for a very clean desktop. And powered by the IGEL OS, you can have a very nice workspace with a nice all-in-one device of a G, such as the 27-inch device which you see here displayed at the right side with very high full HD resolutions, built-in webcams and speaker. And for instance, also the 38-inch device is validated, the curved, beautiful device from LG. And more coming soon here as well. OnLogic. OnLogic is a specialized company for manufacturing so-called industrial thin clients. Industrial thin clients are special devices, rugged devices, which are used in very special environments. For instance, whereas there are very high temperatures or very low temperatures, high humidity, vibrations, and things like that. So they are making perfect devices for those special environments. And here you can see that we already have approved several models of OnLogic already, such as like the IGL 200 and ultra small fanless IGEL OS powered thin client with many special features. And also here, more will be coming very soon. That said, so you will be asking now, okay, but where are we going to find all this information? So let me hand over again back to Divya, who is going now to share more details about that. Thank you for listening and have a very nice remainder of the kickoff.
Thanks, Mikhail. That was excellent. Now, I have been talking of the IGEL Ready Showcase, and this is the important piece for our customers and for you all, since this is the front end of our IGEL Ready program. This is the online portfolio or the website of all the solutions across various technologies, categories, and verticals that are part of the IGEL Ready program. You can easily search or filter and then read up about these solutions. As you can see, we have 8 categories, and you can click on any category such as endpoint and find a list of all the endpoint devices listed in there. You will find a unique page per partner company and then a page for each device or product that we have on the program. And you can read all the good stuff, access marketing assets like solution briefs, videos, infographics on these pages, and also use that information with the customers as per the requirements. So if you haven't checked it out, do take a look at igel.com/ready. Now, this is what is available to the world. But where do you go if you need any insider information? That's all available on the IGEL Ready SharePoint site, and you will find all the greatest and latest about the program here. All the test kit results that are submitted by the partners, the wheel diagram that a lot of you use in your customer decks. The wheel actually is being maintained almost on a daily basis because we keep on adding more and more logos there. So whenever it's an important presentation for you, please do check out and access the latest version of the wheel from the SharePoint site. You can find our webinar recordings, events, all the newsletters that we send out to the partners. And also, we maintain a list of IGEL ready partners and the pipeline along with the levels, right, that we talked about. So hopefully, this SharePoint site will help you stay updated on all things IGEL ready. And we will keep adding more information and resources on this site. So if you're looking for anything specific, please write to us. Lastly, any questions, reach out to our team at ready@igel.com. If you know of any companies who want to join the IGEL Ready program, send them our way. This is the link, igel.com/apply ready. Once they apply here, we will send them the information to get started. If you have customers who are asking for a device or application to be verified with IGEL, please tell them that they should recommend the IGEL Ready program to this vendor, particular device or app vendor, and we will again, get connected and help them get started. So that's all from me and Mikhail today. Enjoy the rest of the event and stay in touch. Thank you.